Part 7 Amazing Z
Oh, I wasn't sleeping. I was preparing for our next lesson, how to make a Z sound. To make the Z sound, start with the S sound, then add the buzz. S, Z, Okay, you know what we are going to do. We are going to practice our Z sound. Zoo, zip, zoom, zone, zeal, zebra, buzz, jazz, amazing, doze, razor. The letter S can also use the Z sound. Is, as, was, does, these, those, days, news, scissors, reason, because, cheers, surprise, suppose, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Are you ready to use the Z sound in some sentences? Tuesday is 2 days from today. Excuse me, where is the zoo? I want to see a zebra. I suppose you can borrow those scissors. Tony is going to have a surprise party on Thursday. You are going to Tasmania? That is amazing news.